In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flyer in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have a clean, eye-catching flyer built from a professional template and tailored to your message, all without getting overwhelmed by the tools. Start by opening Adobe Express in your web browser. Give it a moment to load, and you'll land on the main workspace. On the left side, you'll see a navigation panel. That's where most actions begin, and it's your hub for finding ideas and assets quickly. Click on Templates in that left panel. This opens a rich library of ready-made designs. Templates are a huge time saver because they come with balanced layouts, thoughtful typography, and polished color combinations. Think of them as a head start. Everything is editable, so you can make it your own in minutes. In the search area, enter Flyers. This narrows the results to designs sized and structured for flyers, so you're not reinventing the wheel. As you browse, keep your purpose in mind. Are you promoting an event, a sale, or a community announcement? Look for a layout that matches your content length and the tone you want, bold and energetic, or minimal and elegant. Also consider orientation. Portrait is common for print, but pick what suits your use. When you spot a sample flyer that aligns with your goals, click on it. Take a quick glance at the structure, headline area, subtext, imagery, and any callout sections. If the bones feel right, it'll be easy to customize. Next, click Customize Template. This takes you into the editor, where the canvas appears in the center and editing options sit along the sides. You can move elements, change colors and fonts, and swap images with just a few clicks. Now it's time to personalize. Upload your image by opening the Uploads panel or dragging a file directly onto the canvas. If the template has an image placeholder, drop your photo onto it to replace the default. Aim for high-resolution images and good contrast so text remains readable. Then edit the text. Double-click any headline or paragraph and type in your content. Use the text controls to adjust font, size, spacing, and alignment. Keep hierarchy clear. Make the headline the most prominent, subheadings supportive, and details easy to scan. Update colors to match your brand or theme and ensure there's strong contrast between text and background. If needed, tweak shapes, icons, or background elements to guide the eye and maintain comfortable margins. Give everything a final pass for alignment and spelling, and you're done customizing your flyer in Adobe Express.